Munir Akram, the permanent representative of Pakistan to the UN, told Xinhua on Monday that China respects the principles of the UN Charter and has been a pillar in promoting multilateralism.
The core of multilateralism is the principles of the Charter. The world order was based on some core principles. One, non-use of force, respect for state sovereignty, non-interference in internal affairs, territorial integrity of states. As long as these principles are respected, there can be peace in the world. China has been a pillar in the promotion of multilateralism and respect for the principles of the Charter, the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. These are the same principles that China had already adopted. So it brought those principles and respect for those principles when it entered the United Nations, and it has defended those principles consistently, as we have seen in so many conflicts, so many problems in the world. But it has also brought the path to development. It has shown how a country can develop from poverty into great achievements of modernization. It has shown how international cooperation can happen through initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative, creating real infrastructure in so many developing countries, which are able to become the foundation for development and growth for developing countries.
He also said that Pakistan is very proud to be China's consistent friend and partner for all these years.